nature of the railways, but that doesn't mean that they don't go wrong from time to time. And when they do, we send them to the diesel works, where they can be repaired. The Bickerstown diesel works has many of the same types of equipment as the steamworks would have, only everything is designed for the repair of diesel engines. The yard out front can look a bit scary when you first see it, because it's full of broken engine parts and other scrap. These parts can be useful for repairs or melting down to make new parts. There is a hydraulic platform for raising engines to the upper part of the workshop, and there are cranes and other equipment for moving broken engines about or lifting them up when they need to be fixed. Every diesel engine has to visit the diesel works at some time, even if it's only for a checkup, like when you visit the dentist. There are sheds at the diesel works too, and many of the diesel engines on Sir Topham Hatt's Railway are based here. I hope today you'll get to see the diesels of Shodor yourself. Yours sincerely, Mr. Perkins. Oh dear, is that the time?
Hi.
I need to get back to driving one of those very same diesel engines. Probably the most troublesome one, Diesel himself. Right, let's pop this in the post. Diesel and I have some cargo to collect. Oh, I better throw away all these oily rags. There we go. Goodbye. See you all again soon. Hopefully it won't be so messy next time. Toad's Adventure. Oliver and Toad used to work on the Great Western Railway. Oliver never tired of telling the story of how they first came to the island of Sodor.
And then there was that night of my daring escape from the scrapyard. What an adventure that was! Unbelievable!
I know, Mr. Oliver. I was there too, remember? And I've heard this story before.
Never before has a Great Western engine had such a narrow escape. The moon was full that night, and the wind was rustling in the trees. I weren't scared though.
Oliver had told Toad the brakeman the same story 100 times. Sometimes Toad wished he had his own adventure story to tell, so that he didn't have to listen to Oliver's all the time.
Oh yes, my escape from that scrapyard was probably the greatest escape anyone's ever had.
Okay.
At the shunting yard, Oliver was uncoupled from Toad and given some coaches instead.
Do we have to go so fast, Mr. James?
I'm no slow coach. The sooner I get these cars to Vickerstown, the sooner I can get back to pulling coaches.
Please slow down, sir. This is dangerous. Oliver would never go this fast with a full load.
Nonsense! I know what I'm doing. I go this fast all the time.
As they approached Gordon's Hill, James pumped his pistons faster than ever. Toad decided he didn't want an adventure anymore.
Oh dear. Oh dear me.
You see, Toad? Nothing slows me down. Whoa! Oh no!
Oh, Mr. James. What was that?
We've hit a branch! Stop the cars!
I've tried it, Mr. James. I've tried it.
god.
Thomas,
Oh,
why have we stopped?
oh my god. I get up talking. Oh my god.
Back up!
Thomas, look out! Percy!
Oh my god.
Oh no! We're going to have a crash!
Oh.
Toad could see that Thomas and Percy didn't have enough time to reverse and clear the line. Toad knew he had to save them all now.
He's going to hit us!
Whoa.
Toad had done it.
He,
He stopped the coal cars just in time.
we,
Everyone was very relieved.
we can.
Well done, Toad. Thank you, Mr. Thomas. Just doing my job.
This time I'm not doing a recording. Trust me. Trust me. Look. Stop my computer.
Sorry, Thomas, I lost my cars on the hill. This is
Thursday,
all right.
Thursday,
No, James,
I'm gonna check.
everyone is not all
It's
right. You have caused confusion and delay. I demand to know how this
I was looking at other videos on
Well,
YouTube.
sir, the thing is, I was
Oh my
going
gosh.
too
There was a fallen branch on the line.
I was looking
sir.
at other things on
It was
YouTube.
nobody's fault.
Well, I was gonna
It
search
was
it.
an accident.
Oh, accident, eh?
This is a redo of my video.
Sounds to me along
So I had to do this
that saved us all from disaster.
and show it on YouTube. It's really a redo of my video. It's my account. I wouldn't do that.
Really useful and
I wouldn't do that. Seriously.
great van. Quite right.
Really. Seriously. Why would I do that? So I have to go on YouTube. It's complicated, see? And
Toad was
See?
still thinking about what Dowager had said to him. He felt very proud.
oh gosh,
Go
see?
a little faster if you like.
Yeah.
Oh no, this will do. Thank you, Toad. Never too slow, never too fast. But that's what I always
It's mine. I'll show you. Look. Look.
Thanks for your help today, Toad.
I told you, it's my channel. I had to pause so I can zoom in on it. I don't know why I wanted to zoom in. I like to though. You know. So, you know. I did it on February 5th, but, I mean, I had to redo all everything. It was so weird. I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna use it again. I'm gonna KK YouTubers. Well, what my original was gonna be, like, my original username thingy. I'm watching one of my videos for some reason in my den. Seriously, recording. God. 50 profiles. Whoa. 60. Okay. So. What you should call me is, I told you, like, oh, it's supposed to be Queen 112. That's why my email is Queen 112. It's at Gmail. Wait, it's 112. Gmail. So it's 112 at gmail.com. That's my email. Just I don't know why I told you that. There we go. So what you should call me is Cool Queen 112. 112. Queen 112. You wanna buddy me? I mean, okay. Buddy me. It's is what it is. So yeah. There. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay. This other girl actually was I kind of annoying playing at is Kiona29 because I can log on to her profile, but I'm not bored to right now. I don't think she'll let me. What? Okay. Yeah, she's just the sleep is cute. Dad! Me saying that. More buddies. It's like LPS. I think it's. Sorry if I got this wrong. She's really nice though. She's one of my buddies. I think it's like. Or something like that. Like, try that. Just let it hang there for a couple minutes. Seriously, she's pretty nice. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to. Well, you want to see some codes if you've never watched any of my other videos? Wow. Blah blah blah. Skip to the codes on them. Ha! Oh, I just told you. Oh, darn it. Let me show you the codes.